Hi guys, Ivan Curtin here from We Love Parquet, and this is going to be a series, pretty much a deep dive into how to maintain your hardwood floor. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is vacuuming. So vacuuming is going to be the primary way of removing dirt, dander, debris from your hardwood floor, and you need to do this on a twice a week basis. Or if you've got a black floor and a white cat or a red dog, you're going to have to be vacuuming all the time. So what sort of vacuum nozzle should you be using? Because there's a lot out there and some of them can actually damage a hardwood floor. So this is the one that I recommend. It's a Nilfisk and it's called a soft bristle nozzle attachment. Now the thing with this thing is that there's nothing on it that's really going to damage or scratch your hardwood floor. So that's the first important thing. The second thing is you can remove these little wheels here. You can actually remove these so they don't have to be wheeling along the floor, because when a floor finish is fresh, say it's relatively new, within a month of being done, you don't want to be wheeling wheels over that hardwood floor. Okay guys, so you can actually remove these and vacuum the floor, and these bristles will actually be the only thing in contact with the floor. Now, the other thing is when you vacuum a hardwood floor, you want to have it so that it is pretty much flat to the floor, okay? Not like this, okay? Flat, so that it's getting the maximum vacuum potential out of it, and it's also not actually going to scratch that floor.